We were in our living room and we noticed a little bit of spotting on the wall kind of behind where our kids play. And we thought, oh, they must have spilled some coffee back there. So we were like, oh, not a big deal. But then we took a closer look at it and it was obvious there was water damage coming in the wall. And then we noticed on the floor there was a ton of spotting as well. And that's kind of how we knew we were pulling in for some kind of a bigger ordeal than coffee on the wall. Because COVID had just happened and it was all new and scary and we didn't know if the world was going to fall apart, we weren't really sure we wanted. We thought maybe if we can just live with it, if we could just maybe stop wherever the leak is and just make sure further damage doesn't happen, we'll just live with it. But we talked to Allied and they assured us they had special masks and gloves and they were being extremely cautious. From the very beginning, Cincinnati Insurance is completely taking care of us, and dealing with Therese has been amazing. She was always really responsive, and I feel like she asked a lot of questions to make sure the insurance company was never being taken advantage of and just making sure everything was just above board. But at the same time, they do really protect their clients. So I always felt in really good hands, and they sent us Allied. They recommended Allied, and I mean, everybody that was recommended was awesome. So I feel completely satisfied. I would absolutely recommend Cincinnati and Therese to anybody that I met. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would definitely say Allied is a 10 plus. I've already recommended them to people, and I don't really wish anything bad happens again to my house, but if I did, I would feel like immediately okay if I could hire them again because everything was fantastic. Everything was 10 plus. I mean, we had to do some mold remediation, and the people that came back to inspect their work to sign off on it said they've never seen a house clean that way. I've never seen mold removal done to that level before. They were really impressed, and we were really impressed. They did everything on time, and Milton and Will, who were handling our projects, I mean, they couldn't be more on top of it. I guess the best advice I could give to anybody going through this is just do your research and know what you want your home to look like when it's all done. So if you have to replace your floors, be doing that in advance so that you can already make sure that those are available and that they're within your budget. So if you really want it to be done quickly, have your decisions made as quickly as possible. Just know that it's going to happen and it's all going to get done, and it's probably going to take longer than you want it to, but it's going to get done as quick as possible and that you're in really good hands.